The real magic in Collaboard is happening when multiple people co-create on the online whiteboard. In this video, I will show you how you can invite others to your board. Sharing a whiteboard is very easy. Just click here on the sharing button and now you can invite others to co-create with you on the board. In Collaboard, there are registered users and there are guest users. The difference is very simple. A guest user doesn't need to create an account, while a registered user does. Now, we can assign different permissions. For registered users, we have viewer, editor, and facilitator permission. And if you assign to a person facilitator permission, then this person can access all the cool facilitator tools in Collaboard, and this is perfect for your co-facilitator in your next workshop or online meeting. Now for the guest users, we can choose viewer or editor permission, and here it's important to mention if a guest user has editor permission on the whiteboard, then this person can add and modify existing content on the board. Now, as security is very important to us, you can select how long the link you create to share the whiteboard shall be valid. And you can also protect the board with a second factor, so you can create a password for every board you're going to share. When it comes to guest users, you can define if the guest users need to provide a name, or you can also disable this toggle. And in this case, the people accessing as guests to your whiteboard, they will be here as guest 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And depending on the activity you're doing, it can be very useful to not know who is doing what on your board. Now, when you create the invitation, you have a link which you can share. You can also invite others by email, or what's also very cool, you can create a QR code. You can download this QR code and share this as well. And last but not least, there is also the option to create an embedding code. This allows you to embed Collaboard in any other software that allows embedding and access the whiteboard directly in this other tool. Let's imagine you created a link that never expires and doesn't have a password. So in this case, you might want to remove that link. What you can do here is you can click always on Manage. And now in this case, you see all the other links you already have created. You have an option to copy the sharing link you already created. This is also possible for the embed code or for the QR code. And the cool thing is you can also delete this sharing link you created, and in this case, if somebody has that link and you deleted it here, the access to the whiteboard is prevented. Yeah, and this is how you invite others to Collaboard and how you can start co-creating on the whiteboard.